I started this challenge with 0 rupees. No cash, no credit, just an idea. What if I could survive and even make money like MrBeast, starting from nothing? Day 1, I looked around for anything I could flip. Found an old Bluetooth speaker someone was throwing out, cleaned it up, listed it online, and boom, sold it for 500 rupees. Found this, cleaned it, sold for 500 rupees. Now I had a budget. I used 200 rupees to buy a broken selfie stick and a USB fan from a thrift shop. Fixed them using basic tools and sold both within hours. Another 600 rupees in my hand. Bought for 200 rupees, sold for 800. Next, I went creative. I made phone stands out of cardboard, decorated them, and sold them at a local college fest. They cost me 10 rupees each to make. I sold 20 in one afternoon. Profit 390 rupees in 1 hour. Then came a risk. I found an old power bank listed cheap. I bought it, rebranded it, and made a tutorial video showing how to check battery health. That video brought in views, but more importantly, the affiliate link below earned me 1,200 rupees in 1 day. Made 1,200 rupees while sleeping, honestly. By day 3, I had 8,500 rupees total, all from flipping, fixing, and using free tools online. What started as a fun idea became a lesson. You don't need money to get started. You need creativity, hustle, and a bit of courage. If I can do this with 0 rupees and no team, you can too. So, what are you starting today? Subscribe if you think I should try 10,000 next.